Hey there! Welcome to NextGen Tutorials. Ever wondered what you would look like in a magical Ghibli movie? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your own image into stunning Ghibli-style art, using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. First, upload your photo directly into ChatGPT. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome tutorials. Now, simply type, "Convert this to GhibliArt." That's it. Now sit back, and in seconds, your Ghibli-style artwork is ready, created with the magic of AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips and tricks. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I'd love to hear how your Ghibli art turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.